And I wanted to highlight something that we always get here at the small business centers, and for anybody who works with entrepreneurs, is you get people who are still feeding off the scam of Matthew Lesko, the guy with the question mark suit from the 1980s infomercials. You can see him here in this video I'm showing you. He put in this one, and it's a little bit dated. It's from 2014, but it's highlighting this website called modestneeds.org. You see here, get a fast $700 to solve your financial problems. No strings, no interest, no payback, and no scams. Now, let me show you here real quick. If you go to their website at modestneeds.org, it is essentially an older version of a crowdfunding site, essentially. And what you do is you put in for their grants. They are technically grants, but to say that there are no strings is kind of a lie, because if you look here for their self-sufficiency, you have to provide proof that people are working and that it's kind of a thing to help out, and that they have income and employment guidelines here, and that there are limitations. They're not permitted to pay for certain things. So there are clearly some strings. Again, it would be no interest, just like any other crowdfunding, or no payback, probably, because it is a grant. But to say that it's not a scam, he puts these things out here that kind of imply that there's free money. He always talks about free money, and he opens up this video in particular talking about the fact that there are billions in Google search results of the payday loans that do exist. And while payday loans are awful and have onerous interest rates, at least they are a legitimate source of funding. And traditional loans, and the ones that we can help you look for through different alternative resource funders, are better, more reliable than these types of things that say that there's no strings and it's no work. It would be a lot of work to raise any of this type of funding for anybody who's thinking that there's just this free money that does exist out there.